NASA's main goal is to ensure that they keep a fresh eye on the universe and its expanding dimensions. In order to uphold and stay true to their goal, every passing day, NASA tries to update their gadgets and instruments. That can help them discover wonders and miracles that no one has come across before. One such recent creation and amazing space discovery is none other than the JWST, or the James Webb Space Telescope. However, the journey of NASA's most up-to-date, next-generation space telescope that is capable of peering 13.6 billion light-years away and detecting infrared light that has been traveling to us just shy of 200 million years after the Big Bang has been anything but smooth, to say the least. It is widely known that the NASA scientists who first proposed the idea in 1996 spent 26 years that led up to the creation of the telescope, pleading for just 3 things: patience, time, and in no small measure, money, but to no avail. With financial constraints and a lack of support, the JWST telescope that astronomers had been promised to launch by 2007 that would carry a price tag of just $500 million quickly started to look like a far-fetched dream. However, with the utmost perseverance, when it did launch in 2021, with the price tag having expanded to $10 billion, everything seemed to have changed. But one thing that remained constant was the claim of the astronomers that the images revealed by the JWST would be more than spectacular. And true to their word, the most advanced space telescope, the JWST, did not disappoint. Curious to find out the amazing space discoveries made by the JWST that you've probably never heard of before? If your answer is yes, then keep watching till the end of the video. Also, if you want to know the newest news on the James Webb Space Telescope, NASA news, and other space updates, click the like and subscribe buttons. With that said, let's jump right into the video. Discovery number 1. Dispelling nebula as a dying star. For years, scientists have thought that the Southern Ring Nebula is simply a dying star, in some instances also called a white dwarf, which glows brightly as a result of radiating waves of energy. However, recently, with the JWST's stunning image of the nebula, it was made clear that not everything is as simple as it seems. With the help of its instruments, the near-infrared camera and the mid-infrared instrument, JWST took a recent image of the nebula that blew scientists away. This is because the image of the nebula, instead of capturing a dying star, caught it glowing red in full glory, surrounded by a haze of cool gas. Phenomenal, right? This instantly led scientists to start searching for the answer to the important question that where had the gas surrounding it actually come from? After a thorough research, they concluded that the only possible logical explanation to this could be that the nebula was hiding a third star, which was the source of the gas. The JWST telescope was then sent to capture the intriguing ripple-like shells around the outer edges of the nebula that was believed to be hiding the third star. Neat, right? Discovery number 2. Overseeing the birth of stars in the pillars of creation. The Hubble Space Telescope, the predecessor of the James Webb Space Telescope, is known for its iconic images of the pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula. And while no doubt this is a great discovery in the spatial world and should be heralded, there was something in the image that the Hubble Space Telescope failed to capture, and it was totally left out until the creation of the James Webb Space Telescope in 2022. What happened was that the Hubble telescope captured only the structure's impressive clouds, while another bedazzling creation occurred within these clouds was completely missed out on due to the telescope's inability to detect infrared light. Now, what the new image that was captured with the Webb's infrared imaging system managed to show was the existence of numerous protostars inside these clouds that appeared as tiny red dots against the smoky backdrop of the pillars captured by the Hubble telescope years ago. These images not only testified JWST's capabilities as an infrared telescope in exploring phenomena that have never been explored before, but in this instance, by unraveling the protostars, the JWST also, for the first time, helps us to understand how stars, including our sun, formed billions of years ago. This is a big leap in the field of astronomy and intergalactic studies, and no doubt the part JWST is playing in this regard is undoubtable and needs to be credited. Number 3. The discovery of brown dwarf VHS 1256b. Though many telescopes are designed to specifically locate and identify exoplanets in faraway spatial dimensions, JWST was not designed to be one of these telescopes, but regardless, it still discovered one, a very strange one indeed. We say strange because, for starters, VHS 1256b isn't a planet at all. It is a brown dwarf star, which is no bigger than a planet, but again, too small to be a proper star. The brown dwarf is young and is said to give off a dim reddish glow. This usually happens to objects that are very massive, but too small to fuse hydrogen. What is equally strange is that JWST has also observed that the brown dwarf has sandy and silicate clouds, which is a phenomenon that has never been observed before for this kind of object. This finding has been heralded as a transformational moment by astronomers, researchers, and scientists alike, not only for JWST, but generally speaking for astronomy as well. Discovery number 4, mapping Titan's hazy clouds and exploration of gases on the moon. Saturn's moon, known as Titan, is considered an intriguing yet a weird place. The moon not only has rock made of water ice, but also is home to several lakes and seas made of liquid methane and ethane. It is also the only moon in our solar system to have a thick atmosphere, a hazy one dotted with methane clouds. Scientists got a glimpse of some of these clouds in November, when Webb captured atmospheric data from this weird moon. Yes, that's right. Initially, in November, when the JWST captured glimpses of these clouds, NASA issued a statement of having located as what it described looked like a soul cloud. Later on, however, it found that there were more to the image than anyone could have ever imagined. That is, they, with the help of JWST, confirmed that it was not one, but in fact 2 clouds that had been photographed, including one over the moon's largest sea, Kraken Mare. The event got the NASA team members so intrigued that they officially requested Keck Observatory in Hawaii to observe Titan, and the observatory did so 2 days later. What the Keck observation found is that there indeed was a cloud hovering over Kraken Mare in the same place, though this time it had taken on a completely different shape, indicating that the cloud either changed or another cloud had moved into the same spot. The team members believed that this is a very big step forward in the field of telescopic space discovery, as they believe the accurate data like this will allow astronomers not only in mapping Titan's haze, but it will also help them discover new gases in the moon's atmosphere. Are you as excited as we are? Assuredly, within days of its launch, JWST has left an impressive mark on space enthusiasts and astronomers alike. With the discovery of innumerable new galaxies never explored before that are at times more than 150 million years old, to witnessing the birth of various stars and locating exoplanets, to revealing what they are made of and how they're moving through space, JWST is hands down one of the greatest gadgets created by astronomers for space discoveries. With that said, which one of these 4 amazing discoveries of the JWST do you like? Also, let us know what you think the James Webb Space Telescope is likely to discover more of in the future. Will it be a discovery of alien life on other planets? The existence of supernova stars that we have never seen before? Or black holes ripping apart stars? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, do press the like button and tap subscribe to stay notified and keep watching more amazing videos about space telescopes, NASA news, and other space updates. See you in our next video.